So hello friends, welcome to my channel German language. So today I will be teaching about the numbers in German. Okay, so let's begin. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So first of all, let's see till here numbers. I will teach you numbers till I will teach you numbers in detail. Okay, so that you can speak properly. So see for 0. For 0 it's null. It's null. For 1 it's eins. For 2 it's zwei. Then drei. Then it's vier. Then 5. Then 6. Then it's 7. Then 8. 9. Then 10. For 11 it's 11, 12. Okay, so first of all, basically till here only you have to remember. Sorry, till here only you have to remember. After that you can frame from this only, you can frame all the numbers. So first of all you have to remember only this one. So for 0, null, it's null, not null, it's null, because u is pronunciated as u. Okay, so it's null. Then again it's ei. So actually one thing I have to tell you, that whenever like suppose ei or ie, so ei, it comes like when two vowels comes together, then you have to pronunciate I. Okay, second letter, second. So for this it will be pronunciated as e. So it's I, it's e. So it's called as ins. It's like eins. Then this is this you will pronounce it as joy. Okay, joy. Then it's dry. Okay, then it's fear. This v is pronounced as fear. Okay, v is pronounced as for, so it's fear. Then this is fünf. This is sechs. This is sieben. This is acht. This is neun. U is pronounced as u, so neun. And this is Jan, this is elf and 12. So you have to remember till here. After that we can frame from all this. For 13 it goes like for 3 it's dry, so it will be like dry zehen. For 10 it's zehen, so dry zehen. 13 means 3 plus 10, so it will be dry zehen. Okay, for 14 similarly it will be fear zehen. Fear zehen. 4, first of all 4, and for 10 it's zehen. Similarly for 15 it will be fünf zehen. Fünf zehen. Then for 16 it will be sechs. Okay, actually s will be removed here, so it will be only sech zehen. Okay, for 17 it will be sieben zehen. Sorry, this yeah, it's correct. ei. Sieben zehen. For 18 it will be like for 8 it's oct, so oct zehen. For 19 it will be 9, it's 9 zehn. Then for 20 it's zwanzig. So you have to remember this one. See whatever you have to remember, I will be marking here. From 0 to 12 you have to remember, okay. Then from 13 to 19 you can frame by yourself, okay. You can remember from 0 to 12. From 13 to 19 you can frame from all this. And for 20 again you have to remember zwanzig. Then again if you write for 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So let me write for all these. So this will be similarly, you don't have to remember, you can frame from this. As you know for 20 you have to remember. So you know for 20 and you know for 1 also, it's eins, okay. So for 21 it will be like ein und zwanzig, okay. It's like 1, ein is 1, okay, 1, and und means and zwanzig, okay. So 1 und zwanzig. Similarly for 22 it will be zwei und zwanzig, okay. So it will proceed the same way as we did here. For 20 we know zwanzig, we have to remember zwanzig, and for 1 2 3 4 we will take from here. So for 23 it will be like, for 3 it's drazig, it's dry und and zwanzig, okay. Similarly for 24 it will be 4 means what, fear und zwanzig. For 25 it will be like 5, okay. Let me write 5 und zwanzig. Then for 26, here you can include s, this 6 you can include s only. Here you have to remember that this is exceptional case, s will be removed here, okay. So here you can include 6 und zwanzig. Again for 27 it will be sieben, here sieben, then again und, and this is zwanzig. Again for 28 it's like oct, then und you have to write by yourself, and this zwanzig, that means 20. For 29 it's like 29 9 und zwanzig. Then again for 30 you have to remember, it's actually you don't have to remember here, it's similar 30. Likewise for 20 zwanzig, for 30 it's dryzig, because for 3 we are having dry and zig, it will be similar like zwanzig. 2 means zwan and zig. For 30 it's like, for 3 we will take dry and zig. So again from here to actually till 30 you can frame, okay. You can frame, you don't have to remember. Then again for similarly, for if you want to see from 31, 32, 33, okay. So you can frame all this so for 31 it will be similarly like, for 1 we have to take here 1 means eins, so it will be ein und. For 30 it's dryzig, so it will be like dryzig. Actually this beta it's pronounced as zig, double S. So ein und 30 for 32 it's like zwei. For 2 we will take from here, okay, zwei. So it's zwei und 30. For 33 it's, for 3 you will see it's dry, so it will be like dry und 30. Okay, similarly from 34 we have to do. So from 34 we will have 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So for 34, for 4 we have fear, so it will be like fear und means and for 30 we have dreizig. Okay, see here it's here dreizig, so it will be like dreizig. Okay, so it's fear und dreizig. Then for 35 it's like, for 5 we have, see here, fünf, so it will be like fünf und 30. For 36 it will be same, 6. So now you don't have to remove this s, it will be similar, so it will be 6 und 30. For 37 it's, for 7 it's sieben, so it's like sieben und 30. Similarly you can write for all this. Okay, I am leaving this, you can write till 40. No, for 40, see for 40 how you will write, for 4 it's fear, so it will be like fearzig. Okay, fearzig. Now again from 41 to 49 you can proceed same way as we did here. Again for 50 it's fünfzig, it will be also same. For 5 we have fünf, no, so it will be like fünfzig. Okay, then from again from 51 to 60 again you can do this thing. From for 60 I'm just writing for like 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, so for again for 60 it will be like 6, it will be 6 zig. For 10 we have what, sorry, like as we did in 40, vierzig, fünfzig, sechzig. For 70 it will be siebenzig. For 80 it will be achtzig. For 90 it will be, sorry, for 90 we have, for 9 what we have, 9, so it will be neunzig. For 100 it's hundred. For 100 you have to remember. Okay, again I am writing from here, so you can frame like this. Here you can frame till 90, you can again frame, you can frame by yourself. Okay, again for 100 you have to, 100 you have to remember it's hundred. Okay, 100. Or you can even say ein. Okay, ein hundred. So this you have to remember. Similarly now I will teach you from this, you have to first of all remember. Okay, so now I will teach from after, from 3 digits I will be teaching here. So likewise, now if you want to write numbers, you can write any numbers now, any numbers. So if you want to write like 101, so you will write what? For 100 it's what? 100 and eins. What is this? 101. So 101 it will be like 100. So 100 is 100 and 1 is eins. Okay. So this is 101. 100 means 100 and 1 means eins. Similarly, you can write for 102. It will be what? 100. For 2 we have zwei. So it will be zwei. Okay. This way you can write till 110. Okay. Means like 100 means 100 eins, 100 zwei, 100 drei, 100 vier, 100 fünf, 100 sechs, 100 sieben, 100 acht, 100 neun, 100 zehn, sorry 100 zehn. Yeah, it's correct. It will be 100 zehn for 100. So till here you can write 100 zehn. Similarly, you can write from 101 to 120. Okay, same way it's similar as we did here. 101. This way you can proceed. Then again, this all you can do. Now for 1000, it's like 1000, TAUSEND, or you can even say 1000. 1000 means ein means 1 and 1000, both you can say. Okay, so till 1000 you can do. Now again, if you want like 1001, 1002, you can do similar way. 1001 means eins, 1002 means 1002 means 1000 zwei, 1000 drei, 1000 vier, 1000 fünf, 1000 sechs, like this you will proceed. Okay, again if you want to write 10,000, okay, so for 10,000 it's like 10,000. For 10 what we have? Zehn. See here, for 10 we have zehn. So for 10 we will write zehn, and for 1000 we have 1000. Okay. Again if you want to write 100,000, see here, after 1000 no lakhs is there, that you have to remember. See, one important thing now I will be teaching you. Till 1000 it's okay. Okay, for 1000 it's 1000, or it's 1000. If it comes like 10,000, so it will be, for 10 we have zehn, and for 1000 1000. Okay, so as in English we have like 1 lakh, we say it as 1 lakh, but in German we don't have to write lakhs. Okay, we don't have to write lakhs. We will be writing like 10,000, then it will be 100,000, like that. It's like not lakh, it's 100, so it's 100,000. Okay. For again we have, after 100,000 we have millionen, means it's like millionen. Okay, so okay, so it's millionen. No, it's this is million. Okay, same, million as in English, this is million, or you can say it as ein million. So this way you can do all the numbers. Now let me again revise it first, then I will tell you. So from here to here you have to remember, from 0 to 12 you have to remember. So it goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. Okay, till here you have to remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then again from 13 to 19 you can frame till only, actually really you have to remember only this much. After this you can frame everything you can frame. For example, for 13 if you see, then for 3 we have like dry, and for 10 we have zehen. So dry zehen, fear zehen, fun zehen, sets zehen, only s is removed here. Okay, then for 20 we have zwanzig, and again we can follow the same pattern, ein und zwanzig, zwei und zwanzig. Okay, then again for similarly you can do all the, for 30 we have dryzig. Okay, similarly from 31 to 40, then again for 40 we have vierzig, for 50 funzig, 60 sechzig, siebenzig, achtzig, neunzig, then for 100, for 101 it's like 100 means 101 eins, 100 eins, 100 zwei, like this. Similarly you can write all the numbers. Okay, again it comes to 1000, so it's 1000 or 1000. Again for 10,000 we have, for 10 we have zehen in German, so zehen 1000. Again 1000 it's similar. Then for 10,000 zehen 1000. Okay, it's same. Again for 1 lakh, in English we say it as 1 lakh, but in German it's like 100 eins, 100,000. It's not lakh, it's 100,000. Okay, so it's like 100,000. Then again it's like million or ein million. Okay, so now you can write any numbers in German. Okay, like if you want to write 9 digits number also you can write this way. You can write for 9 digits also.